Avalanche value equivalent to 31.7829 Jibber a coin. The present Jabber cost range $29.79 32.1811. The Jibber day close 30.3953. The change was Jabber 4.57%. Jabber rate USD to Avax. Dollar to Jabber conjecture for February 2025. Before all else cost at 0.027 Jabber. Jabber cost 0.027 while low 0.21. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.025. The USD to Jibber figure toward the month's end 0.023. Change for February 14.8%. USD to Avax expectation for walk Jibber. Before all else cost at 0.023 Jabber. Jibber cost 0.028 while low 0.023. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.25. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end Jabber change for spring 13.0%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for April Jabber. First and foremost cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.28 while low Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.26. Change for Jabber 0.0%. USD to Avax Jabber for May 2025. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June Jabber. In the first place cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.26 while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.24. Change for June Jibber. US to Avax expectation for July Jabber. To start with cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.025 while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.023. Change for Jabber 4.2%. In the first place cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.019. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The Jibber to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.20. Change for August 13.0%. USD to Avax expectation for September Jabber. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 0.020 while low 0.016. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.018. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.17. Change for September Jibber. Dollar to Avalanche figure for Jabber 2025. To start with cost at 0.017 Jabber. Jibber cost 0.018 while low 0.016. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Jibber to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.017. Change for October 0.0%. US to Avax expectation for Jabber 2025. Initially cost at 0.017 Jibber. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.013. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax figure toward the Jibber end to 1.4. Change for November 17.6%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for December Jibber. At the outset cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.014 while low Jabber. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.013. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 0.12. Change for December 14.3%. US to Avax Jabber for January 2026. At the Jabber cost at 0.012 coins, Jibber cost 0.012 while low 0.010. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.011. Change for Jabber 8.3%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for February Jabber. Before all else cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.010. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax figure toward the Jibber end 0.010. Change for February minus 9.1%. Jabber to Avax expectation for walk 2026. Initially cost at 0.010 Jabber. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.09. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.10. The Jabber to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.01. Change for spring 0.0%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for Jabber 2026. In the first place cost at 0.010 Jabber. Exorbitant cost 0.011 while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.010. Change for April Jabber. US to Avax Jabber for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.0 Jabber. Exorbitant cost 0. While low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax Jibber toward the month's end 0.01. Change for May 10.0%. Dollar to Avalanche Jibber for June 2026. At the outset cost at 0.011 Jabber. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.011. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.012. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 0.013, change for June 18.2%. USD to Jibber expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at Jibber coins, exorbitant cost 0.015, while low Jibber, found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber gauge toward the month's end 0.014, change for July 7.7%. Dollar to Jibber gauge for August 2026. At the outset cost at Jibber coins, Jibber cost 1.14, while low 0.2, the Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.013. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the month's end Jibber, change for August 7.1%. USD to Jabber expectation for September 2026. Before all else cost at 0.013 Jabber, Jibber cost 0.16 while low 0.013. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.014. The USD to Avax figure toward the Jibber end 0.015. Change for September 15.4%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for October Jibber. To start with cost at 0.015 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.012. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber gauge toward the month's end 0.013. Change for October nice 13.3%. US to Avax Jibber for November 2026. Initially cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.013. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber figure toward the month's end 0.016, change for November 23.1%. Dollar to Jabber figure for December 2026. First and foremost cost at Jabber coins, Jabber cost 0.020 while low 0.016. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax Jabber toward the month's end 0.19. Change for December 18.8%. USD to Avax Jibber for January 2027. At the outset cost at 0.019 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.19 while low Jabber. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber gauge toward the month's end 0.017. Change for January 10.5%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for Jibber 2027. Jibber cost at 0.17 coins. Excessive cost 20 while low Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The Jabber to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.018. Change for February 5.9%. US to Avax expectation for walk Jibber. At the outset cost at 0.018 Jibber. Jibber cost 0.24 while low 0.018. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the Jibber end 0.022. Change for spring 22.2%. Dollar to Jabber figure for April 2027. In the first place cost at 0.022 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.018. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.019. Change for April Jibber. USDs to Avax Jibber for May 2027.